guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be doing the lockdown workout from Barbell Brigade week 4 day 2, and today I am using a new vlog camera, so we will see how this goes. In today's workout we will be doing a full body posterior, so it calls for a glute bridge, isometric hold, 3 sets of 30 seconds, Superman's isometric hold, 3 sets of 30 seconds. Prone T's and Y's isometric hold, 3 sets of 30 seconds each. So the difference between this week and last week's day 2 is that everything is isometric holds. So we're not doing any reps, we're just doing a hold. Disclaimer, I am not a personal trainer, I am not a fitness coach, I am not a certified in anything, I am not an expert in anything, I am not associated with Barbell Brigade, and I also have an injury, so I will be, I don't think I need to modify any of the moves in today's workouts. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with this workout. you guys, that is it for today's workout, and I hope you enjoyed this workout. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on day number 3. We are almost done, you guys. We're almost done.